On offer today at Maple Lane Equestrian Trailers, we have a 2021 Western Comfort seen in the all-white polyester. Gorgeous trailer built on top of a galvanized steel chassis and the CFF suspension system that's independent torsion. Small Rainer on the side marks it as our Western model. We have it set up here with the door ramp combination open, allowing you to create a step up for your horses or ponies. This is ideal for horses that are quarter horses, Pasafinos, Tennessee Walkers, gaited horses that are of smaller breeds typically used in Western disciplines. Change the rear settings and the front chest bar settings to better accommodate your horse. 2 tinted pop-out windows. There is a hay ring in the roof near the blue-white lighting, and you can tether to the side of the chest bar. The wing door is secured by a hook on the back of the ramp so you can keep it stable while you're loading your horses. And there's a Western storage cupboard for 2 saddles. There's a place to hang things, a step stool, a storage shelf, and the all-important mirror and net. This is a white Western Comfort 2021.